Hello everyone, this is Kapil Sharma from Upgrade Skills. This is a new series on DigitalOcean. In this series, we are going to learn about DigitalOcean, which is a cloud platform. So, the very first lecture is on how to start with DigitalOcean. We will see what are the products which are being offered by DigitalOcean, and we will also learn how we can create a free account on DigitalOcean. So, we will start with that first. So, when you open the link www.digitalocean.com, the website will be open. Here you will find all the details about the DigitalOcean. We will start with seeing the product offerings. When you click on products, the first one is Droplet. When you click on it, this is Droplets are basically a scalable compute services where you can deploy your own virtual instances on a cloud, that is DigitalOcean platform. When you navigate the page, you will find what are the distributions which are available on DigitalOcean platform. So these are the distributions. You can deploy Linux instances basically. So Linux instances, the flavors which are available right now are Ubuntu, CentOS, Debian, Fedora, CoreOS, FreeBSDs. There are some other one-click application which are ready-made available as a template. When you click on it, these are the one-click app which are available. These are Docker, LAMP, LAMP, MongoDB, MySQL, Node.js. There are several others as well. You can see when you click on view all, you will find all the list of templates which are available. Just select these templates and deploy it on your Droplet. So it will be like an image which are ready-made available. Just click on that image and deploy it on your Droplets. Another product is Spaces. Spaces is like the storage services, which is securely store and deliver any amount of data to end users and applications with the same simplicity you have come to expect from us. So I must say DigitalOcean is a very good platform to start with. If anyone don't know what is cloud, they can go through this lecture and learn the basic things about cloud. And DigitalOcean is a platform which is very simple and easy to use. Anyone can start with DigitalOcean. The features of Spaces are create a space in an instant, scalable storage available as a standalone service. So there are some different plans available for storage. You can start with minimum $5 per month. In $5 you will get 250 GB of storage, 1 TB of outbound transfer. If you want additional GB, then it will be 0.02 per additional storage. If 1 TB is over, then it will be 0.01 per additional GB transferred. If you want to try this, you can click on this try for free 2 months. You will get a free tier and you can try it, test it, and then you can make the decisions. If you want to continue with this, you can continue with this, or if you want to move somewhere else, you can decide on your own. Another product is Kubernetes, which is the container based services, which is not yet available, which is showing coming soon. So within few months or maybe few days you will find this will be available. There are tools and integration services which are available. Using the tools and services, you can automate your infrastructure, like deploying instances using CLIs or using APIs. It will be easy. So there are CLIs available. So our web-based control panel provides you convenient point and one-click interface for managing droplets. APIs, you can use APIs to automate your deployments. There are APIs which are available: Ruby, Curl, Go, Octal. Integration. DigitalOcean integrates with many of the development tools you already use. So these are the development tools. I mean, you can use these tools and automate your deployment process with using the APIs or CLIs with DigitalOcean. So there are tools which you can integrate is Ceph, Ansible, Puppet, Memosphere, Rancher, SaltStack, Kubernetes. So that is it about the DigitalOcean. So what we can do is we will start creating our first account on DigitalOcean. So to get started with DigitalOcean, there is a free account which is being offered by DigitalOcean. So when you click on this link, try.digitalocean.com/performance, and when you sign up with this, you will get a free account, and with free account you will get $100 of credit. That $100 of credit can be used for 2 months for any of the services. Compare and deploy with $100 for 60 days. Free infrastructure credit to get started with any DigitalOcean product. You can use this $100 for any of the product of DigitalOcean. So we will start by creating an account. You just have to enter the email ID, enter the password. When you click on create account, one email will be sent to you on your email account. Just click on that verification link. When you click on that verification link, you will be redirected to the page wherein you have to fill up the details about the personal details as well as the credit card or debit card information. You have to link credit card account or debit card account or PayPal account with this DigitalOcean account, so that DigitalOcean will verify your account or verify your credit card or debit card. For verification, DigitalOcean will debit $1, which will be around 65-68 rupees in INR. So once that verification is done, you will get $100 free credit, and you can start deploying your first droplet. I already have an account, so I will not go and create another account. What I will do is I will log in and show you the dashboard, how it looks like and what are things you can do in the dashboard. Oops, I think I have entered the wrong password. I have set up a two-factor authentication for my account so that this account cannot be logged in without two-factor authentication. So here I am logged into the DigitalOcean dashboard. Here you can see $100 has been credited for 60 days. It will show you this $100 will expire in 59 days. If you want to go to the details, you can click on go to billing and you can see the details. Your credit is $100. So if you start using it, if you start consuming it, it will be getting deducted from this $100. We will go to dashboard. Here you can see there are different options. When you click on dashboard, this is the main page which will be displayed. So on the dashboard you can see the resources. There is a create droplet button. You can click on this create droplet and start deploying your first virtual instance or droplet. There is an activity tab. The activity which you do, that will be recorded here. There are some other links which are available. The first one is start using spaces. When you click on this, it will be redirected to the spaces page and you can create your own storage. Spin up a load balancer for creating a load balancer. So once your droplet is ready, once you have a spaces, once you have a spin load balancer, you can do some additional things as well. So which are those additional things? You can add disk to your droplet, manage DNS records on DigitalOcean. If you want to take a snapshot of your droplet, you can take a snapshot. Secure your droplets, which is like a firewall. Floating IPs, which is the public IP, and a static IP. Run your resources programmatically. For APIs access, track more droplet metrics. This is for the monitoring purpose. When you install the droplet metric agent, it will continuously monitor your droplet. There are some links available, which is for tutorial links, API docs, and the status. If you want to click on status, it will show you the status of all the services, all the regions of DigitalOcean. All the systems are operational, all the regions available for DigitalOcean. There are different tabs available for droplets. You can go to droplets, you can go and create a droplet. Once you create a droplet, it will show you all the droplets here. Spaces, this is the spaces account. When you create a storage account, all the storage accounts will be displayed here. Images, if you have some snapshots taken or if you have some backups, then all the images or all the snapshot, all the backups will be displayed here. Networking, you can manage DNS, you can have floating IPs, load balancer, firewall, pointer records, PTR records. Monitoring, you can create your own policies for monitoring, so it will constantly give you an alert. So depends on your requirement, you can create your own policies. APIs, you can have tokens and keys, you can generate tokens and you can integrate those tokens into your APIs. So that's it for this lecture, guys. From the next lecture we will start by creating our first droplet on DigitalOcean. Please like and subscribe my videos. Thank you. We'll see you in the next lecture.